Wow. Did you see that? It just like went out quickly. Hello, my wonderful booksters. Today we're going to be doing a cool science experiment called Magic Milk. And you're going to see the milk moving by itself. Make sure you stay until the end of this video so I can teach you some science about this science experiment. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can see other videos of me. And I also opened a new Instagram page. It is called Ayra the Bookster. You're gonna know when I'm making a new video, so follow me. Now, let's get started! For this science experiment, you will need some food color. I'm using green, blue, and red. You can use any color of food color you want to use. And I'm also using dishwasher soap, a Q-tip, and some milk in a dish. And make sure your milk is full-fat milk. First, I'm going to be putting 3 drops of each food color, and I'm going to put them far from each other. Now I'm going to get our Q-tip and I'm going to dip it just really light in our dishwasher soap, like that. Then I'm just going to put it in the middle of that blue. Did you see that? It just like went out quickly. I'm going to do another dip of that. Now I'm going to put it in the red. Then the third drop, you can put how much dishwasher soap and how many times you want to see it just move. Let's do it in the red. Wow. Then I'm just gonna dip it again. Do it in the green. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to explain some science to get you smart. Milk has an invisible net on top and it is kind of hard. That is called surface tension. That's why the food color stays on top. Water also has surface tension. That's why some insects can walk on the water. We can't walk on the water. We're way too heavy. And when you belly flop into your pool, it is painful because surface tension is kind of hard, and that surface tension is on the swimming pool actually. Now, when we add the dip of soap into the milk, it breaks the surface tension and there's no more surface tension. That happens because the milk has fat and water. The soap has 2 sides, one side to capture the fat and the other side to capture the water. While it's capturing all that fat and water underneath, on top, the food color, it is also moving around because the milk is moving. Now that is how this science experiment worked. Now that this video is over, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the thumbs up button. That is the like button, so I know you liked my video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.